Hello, I'm Dylan Simon with the Simon Anderson team here in Seattle, and welcome to our April 2026 apartment market recap.
And I'm JD Fuller. Together, Dylan and I specialize in selling 50 unit to 200 unit apartment buildings and apartment development land throughout the Puget Sound.
This month, we have two big stories to cover. One is a major milestone with transaction volume, and the other is infrastructure news that's going to change the shape of the region for years to come.
Let's start with the big headline number. Last year, the Puget Sound apartment market posted $6 billion in sales. That's over double the $2.5 billion that we had posted just 2 years prior in 2023.
We shared this data last month at our 26th annual apartment market recap with investors, and it's clear from the room, capital is back. Capital is returning to the market, we've achieved price discovery, and the debt markets are workable again.
And we're seeing this momentum in real time. A great example of this is our recent marketing process of Alara at the Market, a 150-unit apartment building in Seattle. We had 179 confidentiality agreements. We hosted 36 tours and fielded 16 offers. That buyer sentiment right there is a market driver in itself.
That's exactly right. When a well-positioned asset comes to market, qualified buyers are there showing up bidding on these assets. This is a very different market than we were in just 18 months ago.
The other major story this month happened on March 28th. The two-line light rail finally opened, connecting Seattle to Bellevue and Redmond across Lake Washington.
Puget Sound Transit predicts that 40,000 to 50,000 riders will use light rail in 2026 alone. This is the type of infrastructure change that completely reshapes a region. We've been talking about this for years, and now we're starting to see how people live and how they commute, and this is going to affect the region for years to come.
For apartment investors, this is meaningful. Transit connectivity drives rental demand, supports rent growth, and attracts institutional capital. Bellevue, the Spring District, Redmond, these submarkets now have access to the whole region's workforce.
We've been talking about a change in the Eastside's fundamentals for years, but with the opening of light rail, this new infrastructure change is completely changing our region and is going to reshape how people invest for years to come.
Between the market volume rebound and the opening of EastLink, March was a pivotal month for the Puget Sound multifamily market. We're going to be closely following these trends for all of 2026.
Please give us a call to discuss what you're seeing in your portfolio and to talk about our listings on the market right now. We'd love to connect.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.